I'm Aaron Krasinski.
I'm Pranay Kaveri.
And I'm Paul Gerber.
And we're here to revolutionize the way students learn.
Welcome to SciWeb, an app the four of us created for fellow Bronx Science students in order to take their studying experience to the next level.
We built SciWeb using Flask, a Python framework for web development. On the front end, we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Our database was Google Firestore, our file storage system was Google Cloud Storage, and our app is deployed on Google Cloud Run. We used a PWA to allow SciWeb to be downloaded as an app with push notifications. Our styling template was based on one downloaded from HTML5 up. Our AI integration is powered by the OpenAI API, and our grade pull feature is enabled by the Jupyter API package. Over the past year, we've written over 3 million lines of code and pushed over 90 commits to GitHub. With SciWeb, students can easily upload pictures from their notes, homework, or textbooks to generate problems and notes specific to their classes. SciWeb is designed with the understanding that each teacher and each class is a bit different, so the material students study should reflect that. Heading over to the Evaluate page, you can test your understanding of that same content by selecting a class and a unit, and our AI study bot will generate practice problems to gauge the student's understanding and identify key areas for improvement. Then on the Levels page, students can work their way up the pyramid with adaptive practice problems receiving instantaneous specific feedback on their responses. This was modeled after the Bloom's taxonomy theory, a cumulative system of higher order thinking skills that fosters a more complex understanding of the topic.
One of the greatest features of SciWeb are our assignments and classes page. With these pages, you can do a number of miraculous things. For one, you can take a screenshot of your Google Classroom page, and just from that, you can pull your assignments. You can also use your password on Jupyter Ed in order to pull your classes from Jupyter. You can also chat with your classmates in order to communicate with them about your assignments, and you can set a time and difficulty on those assignments so that people can see what to expect when they do those assignments. All of these features work towards bringing us together here at Bronx Science as one study-loving community.
So, using the data that the user put in from Jupyter or enter themselves, we can do some really interesting things. First of all, we make some graphs for the user to understand their trends in their education and their GPA. We also allow the user to break those trends down into individual components so that they can understand how they're doing in all of their classes. Additionally, we also highlight some really interesting facts, like their GPA, their improvement, and where they can focus on. We allow users to input their goals, and we put those goals on the graph so that they can see how close they are to those goals, and if they're not approaching it, what maybe they could change.
In addition, SciWeb is made to be incredibly practical in terms of its UI. With the spider icon on the top right-hand side, you can access your notes or study guides from anywhere on the website. This poses useful when you're in your assignments or grades or even messages tab and you need to pull up your information. You can simply use the assistant on the top right-hand corner to pull anything up and use it.
All in all, these features and more make SciWeb a powerful study companion for students, allowing them to exceed their academic aspirations in an efficient, easy, and fun way. Thanks for watching.